now your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we're creeping up to that maximum of the day, which I think will probably be about 77, 78 degrees. We're at 74 right now, but the cloud cover really going to kind of block out the heating of the day. So we're not going to get too much more in the way of sunshine and heating before the thicker lower base clouds start to roll on in and we get that chance of a rain shower that'll probably occur mostly between about 2 and 4 o'clock this afternoon. 66-degree dew point, that's on the rise. Dew point is lifted significantly over 24 hours. East-southeast winds now, and that southerly component to the wind helping to really bring up that moisture. The southerly component to the wind, kind of an indication of that warm front having lifted a little bit further to the north, and we're now in the, we'll call it a more stable side, and I'll explain that in just a minute. But bottom line is, I think a lot of the inland rain shower chances are going to diminish just a little bit. And now we're going to see the coastal rain chances go up a little bit. So 70 in Wauchula, 74 in Arcadia, 73 Myakka, Bradenton at 74, so Sarasota, Venice at 76, Boca Grande at 75, and Northport's at 75 as well. So across the nation, we've got a couple of weather systems which we'll continue to watch for this holiday week. We have a frontal boundary located just to the north, which will be a weather maker for guess when? That's right, Thanksgiving Day. That one will be coming down and give us a chance of showers. It'll probably produce very similar situation to what we're seeing today. That is a frontal boundary interacting with a little surge of low pressure in the upper atmosphere. It's a little pocket of cooler, unstable air kind of running right across the Gulf waters and into the state of Florida. Right now, that's what we've got going on, a warm front lifting back north. The same front that moved through over the weekend and brought us the cooler temperatures yesterday. That's lifting north now, and a little pocket of disturbed weather is kind of running across the state, enhancing rainfall chances, I think particularly for North Florida. The thing is, the further north that front moves, kind of the more stable our air becomes. Anyway, today a good chance of rain showers, building cloud cover, and rain chances probably each day until we get to the weekend, when that next front that I talked about, still back to the north of us, whisks through here and kind of cleans away all this moisture. So here's what I'm talking about. Here's the warm front. This warm front creates forced lifting. How do you get rain? You take warm, moist air, you cause it to rise, cool, condense, and it rains out. So as this front lifts north, that kind of forced lifting is pushed further to the north as well, and we're left with a somewhat more stable environment down below it. Now, this system, as it approaches land, is going to have a tendency to fall apart, but that doesn't mean the coastal areas won't get some rain showers. Got some ongoing right now in places, but it's very light stuff. So as we head through the afternoon, I think a light to moderate rain shower along the coast is certainly possible. Southeast wind at about 5 to 10, moderate chop on bay and inland waters. And here's the 7-day forecast. Today, about a 60% chance of showers. And then a little bit less rain chance as that impulse swings past the state of Florida. Tomorrow, 40% chance. And then that next front and the next little impulse comes our way on Thanksgiving Day with a weather situation similar to what we're seeing today. Finally, that front moves through on Friday and clears it all out for a beautiful weekend.